Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this is my first Ikea haul since lockdown and I am so excited to share with you what I got. So you might have seen the other day I posted a video which was my kind of what's new in Ikea. So during lockdown obviously we've not been able to go to Ikea, so this is my first trip back to Ikea since the shops had opened, and yeah, it wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be. I thought there wasn't going to be much stuff in there, but it was pretty stocked up. And yeah, if you want to see what was new, then head on over to that video. I'll link that down below for you. But in today's video I'm going to show you everything I bought whilst I was there. So let's get started, shall we? What I'm going to do is I'm just going to link everything that I can in the description bar below, so if you want to go and check out the prices and things of everything, then go and do that, because I haven't got the receipt here. I don't know where I've put it, so I'm just going to show you the items and then I'll link them all down below for you. Okay, so the first item that I've got to show you are these, and these are basically faux, I think these are faux olive branches, and these are new to Ikea because I haven't seen them in there before. So I bought 3 stems of those. I think they were around £3 for each stem, and I just thought this would be really beautiful in a nice big jug. I did see on Instagram, I can't remember who it was now, but she had like a really beautiful kind of clear vase, and I thought that would look really lovely and stunning in there, but I couldn't find a nice one that fitted perfectly in Ikea, so I just went with those, and I thought I'd work with whatever I've got at home for now. The next thing I bought was this lampshade. I needed a new lampshade for one of the lamps that we've got in our living room. This one has just got a really lovely pleated kind of design, and again this was around £2.50. It was really inexpensive. I thought it would work really well on the lamp that we've got in our living room because it's kind of like a white and grey rustic kind of lamp. It's a very small one, but Orlando has kind of pulled it off the side so many times it's broken the lampshade, so I thought I would get a new one of those. That was something that was on my Ikea list, because usually I don't write myself a list and then I get to Ikea and I'm so overwhelmed by everything. I'm like, where do I start, what do I need, and I completely forget everything. So actually writing a list this time really helped me be organised. I picked up some more colouring pens. These are the Marla colouring pens. We buy these near enough every time we go to Ikea. They're really good. The boys use them all of the time, and yeah, they're just like an essential in our house. Then got this blanket. This is another little blanket. You guys know I love a blanket, and the Ikea ones are really good actually. They didn't have that many that I liked the design of because I wanted something quite neutral, and they had a lot of colour in Ikea this time, which I thought was really fab, but for the style that I wanted they didn't quite have that many options. So I went with this kind of grey one. It's just to kind of drape over my chair in the living room, and I think this was around £12, £12 to £15, so not too expensive. And then whilst I was in the textiles section I also got this cushion cover. This is more of like a long shaped cushion, and the cushion that I've got one at home, and I thought, oh, I could use that cushion insert in this one, but then I realised that actually it's probably a little bit too small, so I did buy the insert here as well, which was really cheap. It was like £1.50, £2, something like that. So I've got that, and then I'm going to pop that on there as well. I really love the kind of like stripes, neutral colours in the living room at the moment, and I thought that would be really beautiful. I think this cushion cover was around £6, and in my last Ikea haul, I think it was my last one or second to last, you might remember that I bought some new bowls for the boys, and they were in a really gorgeous pastel colour, and I just thought, oh my gosh, perfect, absolutely love them. However, the pastel colours get really stained when you're using like more like pasta sauces and stuff like that, and it's actually really hard to clean. So I got these more primary colour ones. I just think they're going to be much easier to clean, so I got those, and then I also got the matching cutlery, because I don't know where the cutlery goes in this house, but it disappears. So I got the matching cutlery to go with the bowls. So definitely note that down. If you see the really lovely pastel coloured ones, only use them for things that are not going to stain the bowls, because I was using them for like pastas and things like that, and bolognese, and it would stain it, and I just can't get them clean. So those are, yeah, a bit of a fail for me, but these ones I think are going to work really lovely. I'm just going to save the white one and use that for more, you know, foods that don't stain, and the rest are all lovely bright colours there. So I really liked that. Again, they're really inexpensive, so it's no bother buying those. I also picked up a couple of wooden spoons. These go, I don't know where these go in our house, but I always need wooden spoons, so we've got 2 of those. And this is a really nice wooden spoon actually, because you know some wooden spoons can be a little bit rough. The wood is just not very nice, but this is super smooth. I also got this tea towel. Now this tea towel is more for show. I think it's just a really nice colour. I liked the colours. I like this kind of neutral linen-y vibe. I just loved it so much. Again, we've got the stripe here. This is just something that I'm really loving at the moment, and it's kind of that I don't even know what kind of material it is really. It's not linen, but it's like really strong, that kind of material. I don't think it'll be very good at drying cups and stuff, because it doesn't really feel like that kind of dry material, if that makes sense. It's really, really thin, but I just thought, again, it would be lovely to kind of style up in the kitchen over the range or something like that. I got this shopping bag, which I thought was so cute. I've got one of these, which is like a bright orange one from River Island. I think actually it might be in Vinny's cupboard. I need to go and check that out. But I really like this kind of more neutral colour, and I thought it would be great to just pop in my bag when I go shopping, because I often forget my bag. So if I just have this in there all the time, it's like nice and small. So I'll always have a shopping bag with me when I go shopping. Of course, we got some dime bars. We got 2 packs of these actually. You just got to get them, haven't you, when you go to Ikea? They've always got them at the checkout, so just grabbed one of these. I grabbed 2 actually, because they are just so yummy. I love them so much. As I was walking around the show part of Ikea, they do have bits that you can buy as well at the time. So I got this lovely little pot. I don't really know what I'm gonna put in here. I should have bought one of the little faux plants, or like a plant from Ikea, and I didn't really find any that I really liked. So I just got this one anyway. It is cream, but it has got like a darker tone to it as well, which I really, really like. And I thought this would be a really nice item to put on my shelf in the living room. So I'm always looking for nice little shelfy bits to put up in the living room, because I absolutely am obsessed with them at the minute. I got Mark a towel. These towels are the best from Ikea. I've put them in my favourites video before. If you want to see my Ikea videos, I'll link them down below for you. But the towels in there are so, so good, and they're the kind of towels that get you dry. It sounds bizarre, but some towels just don't dry you, and they just, like, you know, the real thick fluffy towels, they just don't dry you, I don't think. So these Ikea ones are perfect. This one is called, I'm not even going to say the word, but that is the type of towel that we get. I also have them in pink for myself, but we just got one of those. Another little dime bar in there. And then again from the bathroom section, I got this soap on a rope. I've mentioned this in one of my what's new in Ikea videos before, and I just didn't pick it up when I was there. So I picked a couple of these up because I just thought, how cute are they? They smell really lovely as well. They've got that kind of citrusy kind of scent to them, and I just love that it's on a rope. So cute. I also bought like a soap dish to go with it. I think the soap dish was around £3.50, £4, and I'm just going to pop that in my bathroom, and I just think that looks so cute. I've also got one to go in the ensuite as well. So I got 2 of those. And then for my bathroom as well, for the family bathroom, I got one of these. Now, I'm not usually a fan of things like this in the bathroom. However, I don't really have much storage in the bathroom as it is, and often I'll just kind of put all of the shower gels and things around the bath, and there's not really much space around the bath, and it gets cluttered. When Orlando has a bath, he often chucks everything in the bath, and it's just like chaos. So I thought, if I get one of these, it's like a suction container that you can just pop up into the corner of your bathroom, wherever you want to put it. I'm going to put it next to the shower, so I can just put like shower gels and things like that in it. I just think it's going to be much better for organisation and keeping everything in one place in the bathroom. So I went for one of those. They had a few different like suction hooks and things like that in Ikea, which was great, but I thought that would be really, really useful. They did also have ones that you can just put like on the wall, rather than like corner ones, if you know what I mean, like, so you can just put them onto a flat surface. So if you don't want to put it in the corner, you can get something else that you can put like above the taps or something like that. Oh, these are good. So in the kitchen section, I found these. Now these are great, because if you say you've got leftover food and you haven't got much Tupperware. Now I don't have that much Tupperware. I've got my Systema ones that I use a lot, but sometimes I just want to have it in the bowl and leave it in the bowl, because I'm just going to eat it the next day anyway. These are like little suction kind of lids that you put over them. What material is it? It's like a rubbery kind of lid. I don't even know how to explain them, but you basically stretch them over the bowl and they'll stay like airtight, so your food is not going to go funny or anything like that. So basically you just like stretch it over the bowl, over the container, and I just thought that was so, so useful. So I thought I would get some of those to pop in my kitchen. I also went for these ones as well. They've got like a smaller one, which you could use for like fruits, vegetables, smaller containers. So like, look, they've got it on a cucumber there. How good is that? Because often I'll just like chop the cucumber up, wrap the like packaging back over the cucumber, but it doesn't always stay fresh like that, does it? So with these, I think that's going to be really, really useful. I also got these for the boys. So these are just like ice lolly makers, you know, like the Calippo lollies. I thought these would be great. So you could just put your own kind of fruit juices in there, or any kind of flavours that your kids like, pop them in the freezer, and then they've got lovely ice lollies that they can have. And if you haven't got any other lovely ice creams or anything in stock, then you can just grab one of those and go. So that, I thought that was great. And then I got these. So I got some new hangers, just a small pack of hangers, because what I want to do in here, so this is my laundry room. I haven't got anywhere at the moment where I can hang pieces of clothing when they can't go in the tumble dryer and need to kind of air dry. So I often will just put them on a clothes horse, but I want to kind of minimize the clutter in this room. So I want to put something on the wall. So I'm going to probably go for like a clothes rail. I've seen the really lovely clothes racks that you can kind of pull out, but there's no space really to put it in here, and they're really expensive. They can be like £150, £200, and I'm not spending that much on something just to kind of hang my clothes up. So what I was thinking is I could get like a nice big rail that kind of either sticks out. I'm thinking I could either put a rail across here, like a metal rail, or I could just get one and put it over there somewhere, maybe above my laundry basket, because I would like it to be either hidden, like behind the door maybe, or there. I'm not really sure if I want it to be on display. Yeah, we'll have a little play around. Maybe I can go and see if, maybe I can see if I can find like some kind of strong rod that I can put up there. So having a little look at things like that at the moment. I have also seen like really lovely shelves, and then they've got the rail underneath, which I thought would be lovely for like decor as well, so I could put something on top of it, but I've just got to find something. So that's why I bought these hangers, because I thought that would be really nice in here, because it kind of goes with the decor. I think it's kind of silver and white in here at the moment, so I got some of those. They did have them in like a wood design and also black as well. And then the last item that I bought, I did also buy at Orlando some like playing cups. I haven't got them in here, they're just like basically stacking cups, so I got those as well, but I haven't got them to show you unfortunately. But I did get this. I just thought, oh my god, this is the cutest little thing. Basically you pop your candle in there. It's like one of those old-fashioned kind of candle holders that you like walk around the house with your candle if you haven't got no electricity. And I just love this one because it's white. I thought again this would look lovely in the living room, or whenever I'm doing some like styling. I love styling things up, like little areas of my home, and I thought this would be the perfect little styling piece. So I got that one when I was looking around the candle section, and I thought it would be really gorgeous. So yeah, talking of styling, I wanted to mention to you as well that I've got a little styling series coming up. I thought, what could I do that would be really fun to kind of share with you guys, that would be interesting and that you could like learn from as well. Not learn from, I don't know, maybe be inspired by, I guess. And you guys know I love styling little areas of my home, and I thought, why don't I do like a styling series? I've already had a few people ask me if I could show how I style my shelves, so like the shelves in my living room, so I thought I could do like a shelf styling video for you, and just other little areas of the home. So what I wanted to ask is if you've got any styling requests for interiors around the house, so maybe it would be a particular room or a particular area in a room, so maybe it'll be like the bed or a coffee table or something like that, then please let me know down below, because I'm going to write a little list of all of the little requests that I get, and then I'm going to create this series for you. So if you want to see that, or if you're excited about that, then please let me know, because I'm always thinking of different things that I could do and share with you, and interiors is such a huge passion of mine, so I thought it would be really fun to do some styling series videos for you. So let me know what you think of that. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this IKEA video, this IKEA haul. Hopefully there'll be a few more of these coming up, and more new in videos. Now we can kind of go around the shops a little bit more. I'm not going to be doing like really regular ones, but maybe every month, maybe I'll try a different store or something like that. Let me know what you think on that. But anyway, I really hope you enjoyed this IKEA video. It was so nice to just go around the shop, pick some of the bits that I've been looking at online, and bring them to life. So now I can go and put all of these bits away. Now I've been able to share them with you. I've been like dying to like get into the bag and like go and put them around the house. So at least I've done that now, and you've seen everything, and hopefully soon you'll be able to see everything styled up as well, all of the little styly bits that I got. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already. It means the world to me, and I would love to have you here to join our little family. And I will see you all in my next video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
The clock keeps ticking. I don't know what I should do, and I wish you would be right here with me.